Hi guys, Amit here for UnBOX Indian, and this might be our first interaction, so I thought what's better to start off with something incredible like one in my back. Yes, the Taj. So thank you for being part of UnBOX Indian first 1000 subscriber and making it to a family of 1000 subs. And for this occasion, I have arranged a small giveaway of Xiaomi's Qualcomm certified quick charger, whose review you can find somewhere here. And one of the lucky winners can win it. And for this, you just need to be a subscriber of this channel and leave a like along with a random comment on this video. And as soon as this video reaches 500 likes, I'll be announcing the winner of this giveaway. So be sure to like and follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and also share this video with your friends and family. Till then, have a great day and catch you in the next one.